Hi y'all, what are you up to today? I'm here videoing and I'm wondering, what are you doing with your day today? Let me know in the comments below. I hope you're having an amazing day. If you're new to the channel, welcome to our holistic healing channel where we talk about all kinds of things for natural healing, herbs. We make all kinds of tinctures and ointments and do unboxings with herbs, as well as sound, meditation, crystals, all kinds of fun, exciting things. And I'm going to be taking you along and introducing you to the San Juan National Forest and the Rocky Mountains because I just moved to Colorado. So I'm super excited to get a drone and start doing some other content for you that way as well. If you're returning, hi y'all. Thanks for coming back. I always love spending time with you and getting to know you through your comments. Today we're going to be opening Enchanted Energies, and that thing keeps thinking I'm talking to it. Did you hear me say anything about your name, S-I-R-I? No, I didn't. So I'm not talking to you, so shh, I'm talking to them. Today we're opening Enchanted Energies, and this is actually the June box. There was some problems with getting shipping out, so it did come a little bit late. So I'm late getting this out, and the video's not going to be posted until July, but the theme's always amazing in this, and I can't wait to utilize it even if I'm a little bit late getting it. So Enchanted Energies is a monthly subscription box through an Etsy store. And it's not really monthly. It is in that you can buy 6 months at a time or 3 months at a time, but it's not an ongoing subscription. You do need to put on your calendar, remember to go back to order it. It runs about $26 a month if you do it monthly, and it is put out by a dear friend of mine, YouTube co-creator Elena Enchanted, and I do have her video linked in the video description below so that you can go check out her magical station, her channel. So last month's theme was on astrological happenings, and we received the glow-in-the-dark stars, the Sigil for cosmic correspondences, the Seed of Life tray, which she printed up on her 3D printer, as well as the glow-in-the-dark stars, the Zodiac altar cloth, the Connections oil roll-on, and I have not been able to utilize that stuff yet because I had my family here last week for the 4th of July. So I will be utilizing those soon. It was a beautiful box and exciting to work with the planetary magic and that kind of thing. So let's see what we have in this month's box. She always does the vintage type of boxing with the paper. Not sure what the theme is. It does take me a while to get this out of here because it's taped in several different places. She uses like stickies or something, and I can't seem to open it very well. Okay, better. See what I mean? Sticky all over. Okay. I think I got enough of the paper off. It's good for your ASMR, right? All right. So then we have our box here. And she always has her little Enchanted Energy sticker and purple paper because purple's the best. Ooh. And then there's the side. It looks like she did some more 3D printing for us. Okay, so I'm going to pull out the envelope. She always has her little seals. I do like that I can just pull these out though. Just kind of keeps that pretty little envelope if you want to put things back in there. Here's her little letter. And, uh-oh, Raffle time, Monday, July 5th at 9 a.m. Eastern time. Tune into my Instagram, see if you have the winning ticket. So I don't know how she worked that. I know these got mailed out late, so I will show her my ticket and I'll email her, message her, and see how that worked. See if I can't get an answer to that. Let's look at our little letter. There's a little letter. She's got 2 pages here. Enchanted Energies June 2021 box. Growth. So the theme is growth. Many blessings to you and yours. I hope these months bring growth, abundance, and prosperity into all of your endeavors. And first we have the astrological dates. She always gives us a little card that hits some of the most important astrological dates for the month. You've heard me say over and over again, I like that it's just simple and that I can utilize them, but I'm not looking at a whole book full of things that are way, way, way too much for me to understand. Then I'm just going to go ahead then and pull out some of the other things. So we have a little thing that says simple growth spell, and I'm sure she'll have the items in the box, but there's our directions. And then it looks like it says air plant care instructions. So I wonder if we have an air plant in here. Air plants are so cool. So I'm excited to see that. Then we have a little piece of paper, probably an intention setting paper. And this, I'm guessing, is Earth. I'm not very good with the symbols yet, but I'm guessing that's Earth. Got some pine needles and stuff, but we will see if I'm right or wrong. So I'm going to go through the letter then and then see if I can't pull it out. So it says Quartz and Amazonite charm. Not sure which. We'll open this little one and we'll see. Oh, this is my air plant. Here's my little air plant. So cute. Okay, we'll set him down carefully. Looks still in good condition too, which is nice that it's an air plant. This adorable plant baby is such a fascinating species. It survives in midair. This little succulent is fairly easy to take care of and would make a great companion hanging in your window or chilling with you on your desk. And then there's the plant care print here that I already showed you that talks about how to care for it. Oops, one of my little things is coming off one little. Okay. And there's a little purple bag here. Oh, cute. This must be the Quartz and Amazonite charm. This has got a little leaf on there. And you got your quartz. I'm guessing that's Amazonite. This handmade charm was crafted with genuine quartz and Amazonite crystal chips, featuring a cute bronze leaf. The leaf symbolizes growth, while the Amazonite crystal is associated with luck, success, and good fortune, and the quartz amplifies all their properties. All the attributes combined make it a great little charm to carry with you to invite growth and success. Very pretty. I love that she makes all these things. That's how she can keep the price down in the box. Then we have some little cards here. It looks like postcards. And it looks like they've got plants on them, kind of themed because of growth. So it looks like there's 5 of those. Original artwork postcards. These one-of-a-kind original artwork postcards feature a fun decoupage design that highlights the theme of growth. Each postcard was created and decorated by hand with various stationery stickers and decorations from my own collection, then digitized and turned into fun prints for this month's box. Keep them for yourself as little journaling additions or intention-setting pages, or share them with a friend. And I love that she did make them into postcards. Again, if you haven't talked to those you love, this is a great way to send them a little note saying hello and I love you. All right. So that is an earth sigil. And I'm gonna turn it the wrong way, I'm sure. This way, I think maybe. I'm terrible. This month I wanted to incorporate the sigil for earth, as it's the box themed with growth. Though instead of a one-time use sticker, I created a large sigil which could be used multiple times. Call upon this if you ever need to draw on the energies of earth without having to use an actual soil or other correspondences. Sigils are powerful tools which can help replace any missing ingredients and still be potent and powerful in any magical workings. The correct way to hold the sigil is using the line as the horizon with the corner pointing towards the ground. So, I think I got it right. Yay! Very nice. And I love having those around. I enjoy symbols and yeah, I enjoy using sigils and symbols and that kind of thing. Then we have another little packet here. Oh, pretty. Aww. I don't smell anything, but look how cute. It's a little flower candle in the shape of a flower. That is so cute. I guess it looks more like a succulent than a flower. Like a little air plant or something. Let's see. Succulent Tealight candle. One of the most adorable little tea light candles I've ever witnessed. With this being a box based around growth, it seemed like a perfect addition of cuteness. You can use it in conjunction with your growth ritual or just enjoy it however you please. Yeah, little succulent. That is so cute. And there's one last thing. So it looks like she printed this up 3D. Some of them have little tabs on them. And I'll bet you we can put the plant in here. That is so cute. Okay, I'm on the wrong thing. I'm trying to figure out. We'll go on. There we go, I think. There's different pegs, so you have to kind of find it to where the pegs fit in the right holes. And it might still be missing. Take it off and look again. Look! How cute is that? Then you can hang that little air plant up. I don't know if she meant it to be with the air plant in it, but I think it's adorable with the air plant in it. I'll bet she did. Of course she did. What am I thinking? Let's see. 3D plant hanger. Another creation that was plucked right out of my imagination and turned into reality by my husband and our 3D printer. Printed out of corn-based bioplastic, this plastic hanger makes a cute pairing with the air plant featured in this box. You can use it as a hanger or remove the cord and place it sideways on a flat surface and use it as a stand. This design was made in mind of having constant air circulation, specifically the air plant species. Very cool. So she's saying you could lay it down like this too and put it in this way. So if you set it on a table, get in there. Don't be a problem. So you could set it in this way too, sitting down like that. I think I like it hanging though. But I need to be careful because I'm messing with my plant too much. giving it problems. It's going to be unhappy with me. It's going to be like, I just need air. I don't need a bunch of fingerprints and oils. But look how cute that is. That is so cute. So in this box, we received in this box themed growth, we received the astrological date printout, the Quartz and Amazonite charm, the Succulent Tealight candle, the 3D printed plant hanger, the live air plant, the plant care print, the earth sigil, the growth spell, and the original artwork postcards. 2 thumbs up, Elena. This was another great box, and growth was a great theme. Let me know what you're working on for your growth. If you feel comfortable, share one goal with me that you're working on right now for your personal growth. Right now, I'm still really working on my fear and releasing fear, because I can get all caught up in my fear and my thoughts of what if this happens and what if that happens and oh my gosh. And so I'm working on releasing that fear and having peace and calm and a spiritual presence in its place. I hope you have a great day. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't, and hit that thumbs up on this video. Come back often to the channel where you can say, karma's my friend. Bye, y'all.